Hey everyone, my name's Mark. We're going to do an unboxing, setup, and demonstration of some smart plugs that I got off of Amazon that work with Alexa. Let's check it out. What's up everyone? Like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really does help the channel out. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you could hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button, give you a notification anytime I put up a new video, like this one. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. Alright, so what we're going to do is a demonstration of some smart plugs. I have two smart plugs that I use in my office. One right here in my workshop, helps turn on these lights. The other one I use at my computer desk. I use them on these LED strip lights. I did a video on them a little while ago. You can check it out. It's either here or up here. I think it, yeah, whatever side it's on. But it makes it, I use the smart plug along with Alexa so that the lights will come on. Basically what it is I usually have my hands full coming into the workshop, and it's a lot easier for me to just say, hey, turn on workshop, and the lights go on. Well, I've been using a Wise plug for a while on both of them. Worked very well. Haven't really had any problems up until about a week or two ago, when all of a sudden they just stopped working. So I've tried fixing them, tried reconnecting them. They won't connect back to the system. I checked on their website. I think they just basically died. So what I did was I went on Amazon. I was going to purchase a couple more. The Wise plugs are about 10 bucks a piece, which aren't too bad. But I found these here. Okay, these are by a company called Eightree, and what they are is it's an Alexa smart plug. Okay, and they are 100 to 240 volt. Max load is 1200 watts at 10 amps. Remote control, I can use my Echo device as a home gateway to control the plugs, or I can use the app. So they basically come across as the same thing as the Wise plugs. Difference being is there are 4 plugs in here. It's $29.95 for these plugs. There was also a $15 coupon. So for roughly 4 bucks a piece, actually less than 4 bucks a piece, I figured I'd give them a try. So what do you say we open up the box, set them up, and see if they're as good as the Wise plug? Heck, maybe they're even better. Who knows? But let's check them out. All right, so like I said, I've got these smart plugs. They're by a company called Eightree. There'll be a link in the description below where you can pick these up. There's 4 pieces of them. They work good with Alexa smart plug. Has Alexa connection, app control, can set timers with them, and voice control. These are the specs with them. And this is what it's supposed to be able to be used with. Very bare bone box here, so I don't know, I've purchased stuff like this before and it's not what it says that it's going to be. So let's open this up, see what's in the box. Okay, and I'll give you this disclaimer, I give it all the time. For anyone who's ever seen one of my videos before, I have very shaky hands. There is nothing that I can do about it. I apologize if it bothers you. It's not that I drink too much coffee or anything. It's a medical condition, and like I said, there's nothing I can do about it. So let's go in here. We'll open it up. Okay, and they're actually good size, meatier than they looked on the website, on Amazon, the website. Just basic plugs. Got a power on the side here. Okay, I got a feeling that they're going to be quite a bit like the Wise plug. I hope they are. Okay, so let's take a look over here. We'll get a look at these instructions. So this here connects directly to the plug through Alexa. Oh, so I don't have to have the secondary plug like I do with the Wise plugs. I don't know how this is going to work, but... Alright, let's... I don't know how it connects to the internet. But what we're going to do is we are going to unplug these lights. Let's take the Wise plug out. Okay, so the plug's plugged in over here into the power strip. The light is blinking. Okay, so all I basically have to do is say, Alexa, find devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Power on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode. I found and connected 2 new devices including printers. Try saying, turn on first plug.
Okay, so it looks like Alexa found this plug, so let's try this. Plug in the workshop. Turn on first plug. Okay, that was way too easy to set up. Holy mackerel.
Please check its network connection and power supply.
Okay. Turn off first plug. Okay, that was way too easy.
First plug isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
Okay, it is working, but it's not working, so I'm going to have to take a look in Alexa and see why this isn't happening. Okay, so we're in the Alexa app here. And let's go plugs, computer desk, sewing table. Okay. Go down here, let's look what devices we have. Plugs. First plug. We're connecting. The power is off. The power is on. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty easy. Let's see if I can change its name. Keep saying it's unresponsive, but yet it's working. Change this over to workshop. It's a plug enabled. It's now called workshop. Turn off workshop.
Please check its network connection and power supply.
Okay, so I think that might be the Wise plug that's causing Alexa to give me that message. Let's see, let's power this back on. Let's take a look here. We'll go home. We'll workshop. That's my camera. As you can see, that's me. How you doing? So we'll get out of there. I don't want to get rid of that one. Okay, so I figured that out. It's basically I had to set up the routine in Alexa, and unfortunately I forgot to record the screen on my phone when I did it. But what we're going to do is we're going to switch the second one out. This is actually the connection for my computer desk. Again, it has a Wise plug up in it, so we got to come up here. I have the socket shut off, so we'll pull out the light. Then hopefully this comes out nice and easy. There we go. And let's plug that back in. We'll turn the power on. As you can see, it is blinking. So now what we do is we say, Alexa, find devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Power on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode. I found second plug, and you can control it by saying, turn on second plug.
Okay, so it looks like it found it. Let's see if it connects. Turn on second plug. There we go, it works. So we'll go back over here on the phone. Okay, here we go. We got second plug here. We'll go here. Go to the name. Let's change that to... Okay, so that looks like everything's working. Turn off computer desk. And it works.
Computer desk isn't responding.
So,
Please check its network connection and power supply.
so I got to figure out why it's doing that. It's something to do with Alexa, but they do work. So we'll get out of the phone here. Turn on computer desk. So it works. Okay. I'm going to have to figure out why it's doing that. Asking for saying that it's not connected. I don't know why it's doing that. I've checked in Alexa. So I'll have to figure that out. But right now it's working for my means. So let's turn off computer desk. So that works. So I'm happy with that. All right, everyone. That's the Alexa Smart Plug by Eightree. Like I said, there's a link to it to the bottom. They're roughly about $4 a piece. I'll see how long they work. I'm still going to check with the Wise plugs to see why they're not working, see if I can figure them out. I have no idea why they're not working, but we'll figure it out. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. If you know, let me know why the Echo is giving me a message saying that the lights aren't connected, yet they are. I got to look into that a little bit more to figure out why that's not working, but in any case, they seem to work fine. Like I said, I'm going to check also on the Wise plugs why they stopped working, because both the computer desk and my workshop both stopped at the same time. So I don't understand why it did that. In any case, thanks for watching. Like I said earlier, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Really does. It allows me to purchase stuff like this. If you're already a subscriber, you know I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Just make sure you hit that bell icon so you get a notification for videos like this. If you're using a mobile device, make sure that notifications aren't allowed. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys again real soon.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.